Scary facts about the human body. You can forget how to breathe when your brain loses automatic control. Emotional heartbreak can physically damage your heart and make it stop beating. Teeth can grow in weird places, including the brain or the lungs. Your brain can sacrifice your body to protect itself. Total failure. Your nose can actually fall off after a serious frostbite infection. Your eyes can pop out from your head due to sneezing too hard. Trees can actually grow in your lungs if a seed gets trapped inside. Your sweat can actually turn red like blood during extreme body stress. Your body glows in the dark, but the light is too faint to see. The liver can grow back completely even after most of it is removed. Your bones are always being broken down and rebuilt every single day. Your stomach acid can dissolve metal and still not destroy your own stomach. You can survive without a heartbeat for several minutes before brain death starts. Your tongue print is completely unique, like a fingerprint, and cannot be duplicated.